Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video you guys. So AKA's bodyguard Anwar Khan, who is popularly known as Doc, has finally spoken out about the tragic death of rapper AKA in an interview with journalist Annika Larson on her ETV show you guys. In the interview he cited that he was not present and that protocol had been broken that fateful night that the rapper was unfortunately sadly killed alongside his friend. This is what he told Annika Larson, and I quote,
In your placing of yourself as a person. If I know that at a certain time or whatever that in a certain place that you're going to go to, I would recommend not to go. Because anything, when we say restricted movement, it means I'm reducing attacks, I'm reducing threats, I'm reducing everything. So I'm restricting your movement. So in other words, I say I'm picking you up from the airport, I'm taking you to the hotel. From the hotel to the show. From the show to the hotel, from the hotel into the airport. No additional movements on the side. In my absence, protocol was breached. Keenan was called and invited to go to Florida Road Wish, which he accepted and he went. Had I been there, that protocol would have not been breached, because that call would have came through the road manager.
So would you have said, AKA, you're not going to Wish tonight?
Yeah, I don't think we should go there. We are not going.
90% of our work is the manner in which you move. It's your planning, it's how you prepare and how you schedule your timing and your placing as yourself as a person, he said. Doc stated that appropriate activity scheduling limits unnecessary movements, and the manner in which AKA was moving on that day of the murder obviously demonstrated that protocol was breached. If I know that at a certain time or whatever that in a certain place that you're going to go, I would recommend not to go. Can't edit, because anything when they say restricted movement, it means I'm reducing attacks, I'm reducing threats, I'm reducing everything. So I'm restricting movement. So in other words, I'm picking him up from the airport, I'm taking him to the hotel, from the hotel to the show, from the show to the hotel, from the hotel into the airport. No additional movements on the side in my absence. A protocol was breached, he said. You guys, he also went on to say that had he been present, Keenan, would not be allowed to go anyway. Keenan would not be allowed to go to Florida. Keenan was called and invited to go to Florida Road Wish, which he accepted anyway. And if I've been there, then protocol would have not been breached, because simply the call came through the road manager, he explained to you guys. Now there you have it. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below.